Hello guys, this is Rohan and this is going to be a brief introduction to data analysis. And data analysis is a pretty powerful option that you have if you're an Excel user. It does not work on Macs, so if you're an Excel user with a PC-based platform, then you have access to data analysis. Now, to get this activated, because it doesn't automatically activate, you can check if it's activated by hitting the data tab, and you should see in this area a data analysis option. If you don't see it, then you need to follow the following steps to activate, and it's pretty straightforward. Go to File, then you're going to click on Options, then you're going to click on Add-ins, and down here you'll see Excel add-ins. Hit Go, and you want to tell it to make these add-ins available. You don't need anything more than Data Analysis Tool Pack. Once you click on that, you hit OK, and you will see the Data Analysis tab appears here. So how is this useful? Let's say, for instance, we have this data here which has the average age of kids in a playground. If we wanted to find the mean, we could go ahead and use the average function and highlight the range, and it would give you the average. If you wanted to find the mode, you could use the same thing, this mode function. However, there's a simpler way to do all of this which produces a lot more results in a shorter time. Let's try the data analysis. You click on the data analysis, and this includes multiple analysis tools. There's various statistical analysis that you can do, some of which will be foreign to you until you've started to study that portion of the course, and some of it will make sense to you based on what you've studied. So today we are going to be looking at, we want to create some descriptive statistics or summary statistics from this data. So we click on that as the data analysis we wish to perform. That's the analysis tool we're choosing from. Then the first step is to tell Excel what's the input, where is the data I'm trying to process. So it's asked you for input range, and you can highlight the data. I notice that I have included the description in this cell, which is the title, which is not a data point. So I will need to check this box that says labels in the first row. Output range, you can tell Excel where to produce it. By default, it kicks it onto a new worksheet. I'm going to show you how you could actually get it to put it in that cell as the first entry, and then it will populate around that. And we want to do just a summary statistic. So you tell it where the data is, if it includes the label, where you want Excel to populate the output, and what exactly you are looking for. Then you click OK, and in a microsecond, Excel generates this whole set of data related to the data that you have, this whole set of process data. So the mean is the same here as we found manually. It gives standard error, it gives median, it gives mode, it gives standard deviation, and a bunch of other data processed in to give different values, range, minimum, maximums, and all that good stuff. So again, this is pretty basic. I showed you how to get the data analysis tool pack. I also showed you how to utilize it. You're going to start with the input. First of all, choosing the data analysis tool that you want to use. Then you give it the input, where you want it to go, and what exactly you're trying to do, and then it spits out the information for you. Alright, hope you find this useful, and certainly what I would suggest that you do is glance over this list. The deeper you get in the course, the more of these will make sense, and these are going to be very useful and a super easy way to do several of the analysis that you will have to do. There's always a manual way to do it, but why choose that when you have this power at your fingertips? Alright, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and I will be doing more data analysis tool usage for other topics as they come up. Thank you so much.